Hey guys, I'm here to review the Skydio 2 drone. This drone is pretty mind-blowing. I've owned a lot of drones, but I really do like the Skydio 2 product. I think it's great for beginners and advanced. The 4K, the filming quality is incredible. The helpful part for the beginners is that, you know, it is a self-flying capable drone. I have quite a few hours on this one already. It's done pretty well flying around. The only thing I think it even struggles to see that I've noticed are branches with really small limbs. I've going fast, make turns when I was on a hiking path in the forest. It did clip a little branch. Thought it was going to crash. It did okay. It bumped a power line once. It doesn't like really small stuff. So definitely, if you're following it on like a forest path or something that's congested, don't have it do a bunch of maneuvers, because I think its visibility seems to be best flying forward, following you. But if you have it strafe around you, you know, it's a little more risky. But for the most part, it's flown without incident. Anyway, I got the biggest bundle that has the remote control, the key fob, you know, that helps it follow you as well. This is just cool, man. I can put on my jogging pants, throw it in my pocket, basically set it to how I want it to fly, and take off running. And you know, as I've had more time with it, I have confidence that it's behind me. It's done really well. The battery capacity is incredible. I mean, it stays in the air for a long time. Just a fantastic drone. The 2 model has the extra antennas, so the range is impressive. You know, for the most part, I film with it closer to me anyway. I was also using it to film like real estate. It's really cool how you can have it plan routes around a property, slowly plan how you want it to fly, and then hit a single button, turn your back, and it'll go do the flight for you. Skydio 2 Plus, wow, what a drone. My favorite out of all my drones. And definitely the bundle that I'm showing you here with the extra batteries, the remote controller, the great case, it's a good setup that gives you a lot of flight time and a lot of ability. Sometimes using the remote is nice to just manually fly. I do like to manually fly as well, but this drone can do a lot of the work for you. Anyway, definitely check out the Skydio 2 Plus. It's a fantastic drone.